how to clear your Twitter search history. We're going to go ahead and open up our Twitter account from here. Now, once you've logged into your Twitter account, you want to go ahead and go over to the search bar on the left-hand side. That's going to bring you over to the search bar page where you want to go ahead and go into the search bar, and then simply, as you can see all of your recent searches and the accounts that you have recently interacted with. So mine's going to be all these accounts, and if you want to clear your search history, you can simply just press and hold on it and click on clear, press and hold on it, click on clear. The same thing goes with the accounts as well. As you can see, I can just simply clear all of these accounts just like that. Tapping on holding on them works. Now, if you have a lot of people that you recently searched, this can actually take quite a long time. So what I recommend you to do is simply, as you can see on the right hand side, it's going to have this X button, where if you simply just go ahead and click on that X button, it's going to say clear all recent searches. This can't be undone and remove all of them. So simply click on the confirm. And then as you can see, we have completely removed and cleared all of our Twitter search history in one button.